How to download Chase Bank statement in PDF. If you wish to download the Chase Bank statement on PDF, what you have to do is just make sure to launch the Chase Bank application or log in from chase.com. So once you go ahead and then log into your respective accounts, you can just tap on the login button to log in. Then you want to navigate to the profile and settings icon in the top right corner of your app. Select settings and open the account settings drop down and select the option called Paperless. You'll see a list of all your Chase accounts that are eligible for paperless statements. To the left of each eligible account, select the ones you want to receive as paperless statements and choose Save at the bottom of your browser. After that, your statements will be paperless and you can access them just by tapping on the See Statements button, and you can update your preferences anytime you're signed in to the Chase mobile app by going back to your paperless setting. Same thing you can repeat on the browser version as well. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.